The 5 countries of Central Asia represent a unique region with great potential and a tradition of bringing Europe and Asia together. Home to 76.5 million people, it has a predominantly young population. This year, the region's GDP is forecast to grow by 4.6%. In 2022, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, and Uzbekistan began implementing the WHO Roadmap for Health and Well-being in Central Asia, 2022 to 2025, the first of its kind with strong endorsement at the highest political levels. The strategy is clear. Health is an essential driver of Central Asia's socio-economic development, contributing to an inclusive and sustainable future for people across the region. Countries are moving decisively to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals, but the COVID-19 pandemic and other international crises have caused setbacks. Looking ahead, only 6 years remain for countries to meet these ambitious goals by 2030. That's why on the 26th and 27th of June this year, the WHO Regional Office for Europe and the Ministry of Health of Kyrgyz Republic, under the patronage of the President of Kyrgyzstan, are bringing together global, regional, and national partners for the Central Asia International Health Investment Forum. This investment forum is an opportunity to accelerate progress towards healthy lives and well-being for the almost 80 million people across Central Asia and to deliver health for all.